you are meditating also outside, you should develop a state of witness. You should try to find out what is the matter. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with others? And how you can help it. Only with your vibrations you can correct so many things in your country, in your family, everywhere. And as you see now how Sahaja Yoga is growing, that there's such a need and such a desire to get self-realization. But only thing, your approach should be full of love and full of understanding. They are coming from the darkness of ignorance and they have to go into the illumined nature of the divine, which can be very bright for them. So slowly, if you develop this passionate kindness, love for them, I'm sure you can do much more to raise them. No use getting angry with them, because they are so ignorant. They don't know what they are doing, you see. As Christ has said that they don't know what they are doing. So what you have to do is to make them understand whatever they are doing, whatever they are understanding is still poor. It's not so much yet expanded as it could have been if they were realized also. Even after realization, I find people have a problem. They still have the problem of the past life, which is finished, is dead, but they still carry on with that. And the consciousness, so much of illumination also doesn't show what's wrong with them. For example, take the case of ego. Ego is so developed. In the Western countries where they are so developed, ego has also developed. And they have to find out what's wrong with them. This ego comes from certain consciousness that you have been something great, you are this, you are that, your parents have been great, maybe your property is great, or maybe you are occupying very big position or anything. It can come from anything, and this consciousness is against your awareness, because it's not true. You are not anything being molded by these outside things, but you are molded by your own awareness within yourself. This awareness has to grow. From where is to understand how do we get this ego. From what point? Yesterday I felt there were lots of people who were having a lot of right side on them. This right side is of no help. It will create problems for you, sickness for you, and also no use having right-sided surgeries. So the main thing is to understand the power of love. Power of love is the highest and the greatest. And if you can manage somehow or other to give up your anger, give up your greed, and also your ego, if you can do that, you can be in Sahasrara. Now just see the spot of ego. It stops your ascent further. At ego only people get lost. Because at ego only they move to the left or to the right, and they can go to the too much of right side or can go up to the left side. They can go to any extreme of these two. So first of all, we have to correct our ego. For this ego, what should we do? For this ego, we should watch ourselves and laugh at ourselves. What ego do we have of what? We are human beings, now have become divine. And with divine within us, with this light within us, we have to understand that we are a part and parcel of the divine, just a drop in the ocean of love. If you can reduce your ego, if you can bring it to the actual sense of your being, then it will work out better. I find it in the West, this ego is very strong. very, very strong. And whatever they do wrong, they think is correct. Because ego can support you in every way. While on the contrary, those people who are developing, the countries who are not yet developed, there the people problem is not of ego but of superego. That can be corrected. But ego is your own enemy created by you. So you have to fight it and see for yourself from where it is coming. It might be country-wise,